So today I decided to come run a different section, or just a whole different route. It was pretty good. I'd give it a 7 out of 10 in difficulty. And look how cheap this is. $11:30 a.m. and last night I talked about how I'm gonna make the lights telescope and as well as the camera mount, but I really don't have a clue how to do that. I watched a couple of YouTube videos and I think I have a better idea now of how I'm gonna make one, but I'm just gonna wing it. I'm gonna run over to the Home Depot. So it's about 6 p.m. and I'm still working on that. Haven't quite finished it. I've been working all day, but now I have my usual 10K with a friend of mine. So it's Speed Thursday. And now I've got to head there. So just remember, you always have time. You always have time for more. 9:51 p.m. and today's vlog sucks. I just got home from running. I did not finish my project, and this video will probably go up at like 1 a.m. Comfortable today? Yeah, you're doing a little better, huh?